It's okay, mommy. Ever. Best vanilla. See that Jamaican flag? Mm-hmm. Nothing like that. The best. So we have nutmeg, vanilla. What does you put in yours?
Sugar.
Sugar. And some flour.
And if you have raisin, you can put in there.
Oh, people put raisin too?
Some people.
Okay. No, so, yeah, I guess you can just add something to it. You can make this for breakfast or dessert. You know, people can't eat this for dessert, so late at night you feel for something nice.
Anyway, you can eat it for dinner if you want anything.
Nah, eat no banana. Yeah. And she tastes it. Or Gigi. What your shirts are now, mommy? You love them right up, right up there. Never give them out because great things take time. True. And,
I don't measure.
Yeah, these Jamaicans, they don't measure, okay? Jamaicans don't measure. They go poor. They're just poor. They're just poor. So good luck if you waited on measurements. You look at exercise for your hand, mommy.
Hurt me, giants.
No wonder every time I watch something on your TV, say something about giants, some commercial, they hear you, you know, mommy. The AI, the robot, them hear you.
They do because I don't know who them are talking about diabetes, everything is diabetes.
They hear everything you say there. Get the something from Greg for diabetes. Do that, the first thing you do.
That's what she don't do in medicine. She do it, that's like what she do her grandmother.
Just get it and get some cleansing. Get the something from him, and the soursop tea. So, see the difference? We're gonna add the flour and the sugar in there. More flour? She don't want it to be soft. So she add more flour, see? And this is banana. Just crush the banana.
Come on.
Nutmeg. I love nutmeg. Yes? She's doing what? She's doing what, Marisha?
Take your hat. Move your hands. Move your hands.
Put that label in there to make sure it's hot. True. About how long you make one side fry for? 5 minutes?
We just keep turning it. Okay. You want to say later? What time you got to airport?
5,
What time flight?
7.
Oh.
Be there by 5 because I don't know why I don't trust that airline. Should I just stick with my Delta?